Hello friends, join me as we draw Catnap today. First, let's draw the shape of his face and ear. Next, his ears with a little heart on it. Then, his big eyes. Catnap is a soothing presence, and he makes sure he and his pals get the perfect amount of sleep each night to fuel their play in the morning. At the end of the day, nothing makes Catnap happier than witnessing his friends sleeping peacefully. Let's draw his eyebrow and hair bangs. Then, his nose and lip. Next, the shape of his arms. I'm drawing the shape of his body and legs. His half-moon necklace and jumpsuit. Lastly, his long tail. And now, let's add color to Catnap together. His ears are purple. His face are light shade of purple. Catnap is waving at you by wagging his tail. Hi, Catnap! The enchanting world of Catnaps, those short and magical journeys to dreamland that turn ordinary moments into fantastic adventures. Catnaps are like secret portals that whisk you away to realms of imagination, and they're even more delightful than a basket full of kittens. His jumpsuit is light shade of purple as well. His tail is light shade of purple too. His half-moon necklace is yellow. His hand and feet are purple. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.